Hi everyone, Andrea here. I'm so excited today to be making yet another Disney fan favorite snack, the churro. Now these won't quite be like the ones in the park, they'll be more like churro bites, and we're also going to attempt to make the churro ice cream sandwich. Now let's get started. All right, so we're going to get our stick of butter, our 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 cup of water over medium heat, well, medium-high heat, and we're gonna get this to boil. While that gets going, I have my saucepan ready for the oil and my little pan for my chocolate chips. That will be for the dipping sauce for the churros. Okay, so we're going to be looking for that rolling boil, and we're getting pretty close. So now we're going to add our 1 cup of flour and 1/4 cup. And we're going to mix that flour in. And we're going to want to form a ball and just mix that all in together. Maybe even take it off the heat. Make sure everything gets incorporated. And now that we have made our little dough ball, we're going to take this off the heat completely and let it set for 7 minutes, just to let it cool down before adding our eggs. Okay, now that our dough has set for 7 minutes, we're going to add our eggs one at a time, and there's 3 of them. So just give it a quick stir after each egg. Try not to let it slosh everywhere. Also try to keep those eggshells out. Now I know it's not part of the ingredients, but I can't help myself, and I'm gonna add my tinge of vanilla extract. Okay, now that this is all mixed in together, we're gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes while we get our oil started. All right, so now that we have our oil at medium-high, we're gonna start piping in our churro bites. All right, it looks like my first few are about done. So I'm just gonna use my slotted spoon here and then just move it over onto my paper towel. Those look awesome. Now that we've taken our churro bites out of the oil, we are going to put together our sugar and cinnamon mix. This is just 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just gonna mix that all together. Beautiful. And we're just gonna add in our churro bites, making sure they get nicely and evenly coated. I'll just do a few at a time. Now that we have our churro bites squared away, we're gonna start forming our ice cream sandwich. So I went ahead and cut out 2 pieces of parchment paper, and I'm going to make 2 very tight circles. And there we have it, a churro ice cream sandwich. I literally cannot wait to eat this. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can follow me on Instagram at A Real Slice of Magic for all things Disney. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.